Welcome to 24 Glenda Road, a newly updated 4+1 bedroom semi-detached home with 3 washrooms situated on a quiet street within East Toronto's well-established Scarborough Village neighbourhood. Featuring a single-car garage, a concrete walkway and steps, and a raised garden in front of the charming covered porch, the front entrance opens into a wonderful family home that showcases new hardwood flooring on the main and upper levels, with the main level also featuring new pot lights throughout, a bright open layout and flow, a neutral decor, as well as abundant natural brightness. 2 huge windows in the combined living and dining rooms provide views of the backyard and the surrounding greenery, with these elegant entertaining spaces also featuring the finishing touch of crown moldings as well as an exquisite vintage-style chandelier above the dining area. And the backyard itself has a large patio for outdoor entertaining, garden beds, and a storage shed. Fully renovated with new stainless steel appliances, new quartz counters and backsplashes, new shaker-style cabinetry with upgraded hardware, as well as a new stainless steel double undermount sink and faucet. The kitchen also showcases a spacious breakfast area, California shutters with the windows, and a walkout to access the front and backyards. And with its galley-style layout, everything is close at hand, making meal prep and entertaining easy and convenient. The main level also features a double coat closet, a tiled floor and a powder room updated with a new vanity, quartz counter, basin, and faucet, as well as a new hardwood staircase with wrought iron spindles to the upper level. All 4 bedrooms on this level are spacious, have oversized windows with either north or south-facing exposures for natural brightness, as well as ample closet storage. And the second bedroom also features a charming vintage chandelier. A linen closet is conveniently placed just outside the entry into the 4-piece washroom, which features a new vanity, quartz counter, undermount basin, and faucet, as well as a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. With this washroom also a semi-ensuite for the master bedroom, which additionally features a ceiling fan and a double closet. Adding to the approximately 1,500 square feet of main and upper level living space is the fully finished basement. This level features a furnace and laundry room with a washer and dryer, a combined kitchen and recreation area, a huge storage room, a very spacious bedroom, and a 3-piece washroom, offering extra living and storage space for the home, as well as having the potential as an in-law suite for extended families. A short walk to Mason Road Junior Public and St. Boniface Catholic Elementary Schools, a community centre, parks, as well as numerous shops and services along Eglinton Avenue East and Kingston Road. This home is also just minutes from the Eglinton GO Station, a hospital, and the Scarborough Golf and Country Club, while access to Highway 401 and the Don Valley Parkway to connect with other major thoroughfares are just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.